Hi. Okay, so I'm going to start talking about Hurricane Ian. I remember this happening in 2021. I was actually, or 2022, sorry. So it was only a few years ago, and I remember the rain and how much it affected everyone here in Alabama. So I would start by just talking about climate of the world and bringing in Florida and just how big this hurricane was. It was Category 5. It took up the whole state. That's what I remember most, is that it took up the whole state of Florida. It looked huge, humongous. And so I remember where it came from, like where it was going to hit, and I would explain that to them. I would look up all these little fun facts to tell the kids, try to get them interested um, of the destructive storm, show them pictures of Hurricane Ian and what had happened. So I would do that, and then I thought it was interesting on this little time lapse. First, I wanted to show y'all that. So time lapse, you can hit. Let's do one, and then time lapse. So you can watch it, the state of Florida completely, go small and big, like of the shallow ends and how that the state in general changes. And so I'm going to pause that, and then I'm going to zoom in because it went completely over Florida. Let it load for a second. And then you can click play, and then you can see closer up how it changes. And so I would explain to the kids how you can do the time lapse on this side, and you can do the time lapse, and you can do the time lapse on this, and you can just look deeper and through more thoroughly, and you can zoom in, zoom out, zoom to different cities, and see exactly how much it changed in each city. So most of the kids might be interested in Orlando since Disney World's there. So I would focus on Orlando and just focus on the damage of Orlando and see the before and after pictures and include Disney World. So if I was their teacher, I would more likely include Disney World just because that's a good subject to start on. But that is how I would teach the lesson in a quick speed, and I hope that it would be fun and enjoyable for all kids. Thank you.